A 32-member team from 7 Sikkim government departments, Sikkim University and 3 central government departments, including the NDMA, SDMA and the Geological Survey of India, have left to study the status of the glacial lakes in North Sikkim. The mission was flagged off by Sikkim Social Welfare Minister Sandup Lepcha. The team of experts will conduct a detailed susceptibility assessment of 6 high-risk glacial lakes: Ten Chungkha, Khangchungcho, Lachen Khangtese, Lachung Khangtse, Lashaw and Shakocho. Well, this mission would not cover the 3 high-risk lakes, namely Guru Dongmar, A, B, C, as these lakes are considered to be sacred with sentimental value for the locals. Well, the expedition and study of vulnerable lakes of Sikkim is much needed at the moment because of massive destruction and devastation caused by the glacial lake outburst last year. The 15-day mission will end on this September 14. The team includes members from the Science and Technology Department, Land Revenue and Disaster Management Department, Mines and Geology Department, Water Resources Department, Forest and Environment Department, Information and Public Relations Department, along with 2 central government agencies, Geological Survey of India, Central Water Commission, 2 officials of the National Disaster Management Authority and the Sikkim State Disaster Management Authority, Sikkim University.
No, finally the expedition is taking off today. Actually, we were scheduled to start our expedition on 28th. So we got delayed by 2 days because of some concerns, raised by the people up there. So that is going to be resolved soon. So in the meantime, we thought we would take this expedition forward by going to Lachung. Because out of 16 vulnerable lakes identified by the Ministry of Home Affairs and NDMA, 12 lakes are in Lachen, and then one very risky lake is in Lachung. So we'll be doing study there, study of that lake first initially, and then they are having meeting in Lachen. Then they are going to give us a green signal. So from there only the team will proceed forward to Lachen. And in the meantime, my department, Land Revenue Department, will be doing all the PRA, preparation of this hazard mapping and all, so that people are made aware of how to save themselves as well as their communities when disaster happens. So it's very important to do that also, because unless people themselves are not aware of what they should be doing when disasters suddenly strike. So we are going to do that also. So finally we are happy and we are very excited to embark on this expedition.
We are mainly doing a variety of studies. Things like slope forming material study, geophysical survey. We are using our electrical resistivity tomography equipment. Then we are also using our ground penetrating radar. Then we are also doing the study of the catchment area. We'll be mainly looking at the subsurface geology, and based on these studies, the mitigation measures, I hope, will be helpful for the mitigation measures.
Yeah, see, right now we have just done an initial assessment based on remote sensing. And only when you go to the field and you do all these studies and you assess on ground, you come to know what is the hazard level of that lake. So the purpose of this mission is that we will do a comprehensive assessment of these lakes on ground. So we have a very good technical team. We have got our own scientists. We have got engineers. So it is also a mission that has been designed by the government of Sikkim, because these 6 departments who are participating, they have brought their best team forward. So we have got the best geologist, best geohydrologist, best hydrologist, best glaciologist, best civil engineers and best remote sensing experts. So we have got amongst the best team that is possible, and we hope to do something which is unique and create a model that other states in the Himalaya will come to Sikkim and learn from us. So we will become like the role model for the Himalayas.